Hello everyone, this is Paul from Hi-Fi May. Today I want to show you the backup camera because we have some friends have some problems when install the backup camera. This model here is a new model for BMW EVO car types such as 2018 BMW X1. You should install this model here. But if your car is 2013 to 2017, you should install this model. The sides are the same, but on the back there are differences here. The blanket on the back is different. So if you order the wrong one, it cannot install. But the problem is some cars have the electronic tailgate list. That kind of car, in the handler, it have a controller like this. This is the original handler. It have a controller like this. Here. See? Here. Like this. So, in this case, you need to move the controller from the original handler to our backup camera. Okay, now I will show you how to do. As you can see the controller, there's a locker here. This one here. Also, you can see this is also a locker. And on the back, this locker. So, we need to remove these lockers. Okay. Now this side, the locker have loose. Here, okay? We have removed the locker. We can take it out like this. Here you can see it have two parts, right? We just install to this blanket, then we'll be fine. We can take a look, they are the same, right? Make sure the locker in the same position. Okay, you can see here. That's correct now. Here. That way you can install this model, then we'll be fine.